really excited today at Imose Technologies to be hosting the Federal Minister of Communication, Innovation and Digital Economy of Nigeria, Dr. Bosun Tijani. We think it's a truly remarkable moment in our growth. Over the last 10 years, we have consistently contributed to the Nigerian economy through our indigenous production of smart devices and other smart electronic products. Doing that over a long period and going through all the challenges that we've had to go through is something that gives us a lot of strength, because we know that to do this kind of business in Nigeria requires resilience. And having the federal minister come to us today and really learn of our growth story, and also learn of areas that we can collaborate with the federal government and areas where we'll need some more support from the federal government, is something that we believe is a great opportunity. We hope that the conversations today will deliver results for our business and help us on our journey to impact Nigerians positively in the years to come.
You know, for every sector, there's a complete supply chain. And there's also what you may call the value chain through which the actual product is created and consumed. And all that is not something that you just leave to private companies to build. We have to ensure that our regulations are proper to allow them to be able to build. We have to ensure that even in some cases, research and development is done properly, that the academic institutions are also producing the talents that they need to be able to function. We also have to ensure generally that when we come up with policy, we need to focus on policies that will enable them to actually be able to do business, because that's the only way we can grow our market. It's always good to see folks like these who are going against the odds to actually try to build something strong. And if you look at the products that they're already producing, it's commendable. So on our side, we need to ensure that whatever we can do to support companies like Imose and any other companies out there doing similar things, that we continue to do so.